Are you interested in learning how to make money online? With Flores Online Explains, you can start making money online in 2022. I'll demonstrate how you can make money every day with your TikTok account. Learning how to make money on TikTok can turn your hobby into a full-time job. Do you know that you can make as much as $20,000 a month on TikTok? Smart TikTokers who capitalize on the app's reach collectively earned over $55.5 million last year, according to Forbes. And today, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a lot of money with your TikTok. Welcome to Flores Online Explains. Subscribe to my channel for information, explanations, and tips to make money online. Don't forget to press the like button and the notification bell. Now let's get into the video. The first way to make money on TikTok is by joining the TikTok Creator Fund. The catch is that in order to be eligible for the TikTok Creator Fund, which enables creators to monetize their content, you must have at least 100,000 followers and at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days. The most money will go to those with more than 1 million followers. Users can earn different amounts from the Creator Fund, which is calculated based on their audience size, user engagement levels, and posting frequency. You must meet the following requirements in order to join the TikTok Creator Fund. You must comply with the TikTok community guidelines and terms of service, be at least 18 years old, be a resident of the US, UK, France, Germany, Spain, or Italy, have at least 10,000 followers, and your videos must have received 100,000 views in the past 30 days. If you already have a huge following, then the Creator Fund is a fantastic idea, but it can be highly restricted and consistent funding is not always guaranteed. But do not log off just yet. There are many other ways to monetize your account if you're just starting out. Another way to make money on TikTok is to partner with influencers or other brands in the TikTok Creator Marketplace. The Creator Marketplace on TikTok is one of the most inventive ways. It offers its creators a means of earning money. The Creative Marketplace facilitates relationships in a quick and simple manner for both sides by bringing together the relevant businesses and influencers. Brands interested in running an influencer campaign can browse the market and rapidly scan material produced by creators they know are open to working with brands. By allowing both parties to express their readiness to collaborate, the Creator Marketplace serves as an influencer agency, alleviating some of the awkwardness that marketers may feel when approaching influencers on other platforms for influencer marketing. A TikToker can make between $100,000 and $250,000 for a branded video, with superstars making up to $500,000 per post, according to Forbes. Your profits are based on your engagement rate, or how frequently viewers interact with your account and like and comment on your brief videos, as well as how many TikTok followers you have. The next method is to create in-feed ads with the TikTok Ads Manager. TikTok offers many fantastic organic marketing opportunities, but if you want to increase the audience for your content, you might want to think about making your own in-feed advertising using the TikTok Ads Manager. Like any other TikTok video, TikTok commercials play automatically and are displayed in viewers' For You feeds. You may make sure your videos are seen by those who are most interested in your products by using paid advertisements. The best part though is that Shopify and TikTok's Ad Manager are fully integrated. You can therefore build TikTok advertisements, choose a target demographic, and track the effectiveness of your ads all from your Shopify store. The next method is selling merch to your fans. TikTok is a terrific platform for monetizing almost any kind of video by selling your own goods. Any artist, whether they be a dancer, singer, or comedian, may produce and market merchandise to their most devoted followers. There is also a huge selection of products thanks to the many print-on-demand businesses. T-shirts, tote bags, pillow covers, hats, coffee mugs, stickers, notebooks, or any other combination of goods are all possible for you to sell. Even beyond profits, selling print-on-demand products has advantages. Every supporter who wears your gear in public generates new opportunities to promote your brand wherever they go. Owning branded merchandise allows your followers to have a closer connection to your work. A popular example is the Unexpected brand on TikTok. 6 high school senior school project led to the creation of the clothing line Unexpected. However, the group's lives were forever altered when they used TikTok to advertise their clothing they were hand-making in their parents' basements. In December 2020, Unexpected's TikTok account had its first viral hit, and within a short period of time, their number of followers had increased dramatically. The group moved to Los Angeles after graduating, and while they're not making new TikTok videos, they continue to dye and embroider their own products there. The fact that Unexpected rarely uses its TikTok account to actively advertise its items is what makes it effective. Instead, Unexpected allows followers to develop a more personal relationship with the brand's founders by including them in its brand building process. Now that we've discussed some of the methods through which you can make money on TikTok, it's clear that you need to have a huge account of following before you can use any of these methods. So how can you grow your TikTok account? First, you have to find your audience. Determine who would be interested in your short videos based on your interests and talents. Don't be too broad because there's a lot of competition on the platform. Focusing on a narrower, more specialized niche can increase your chances of gaining a following. Next, you have to create videos that are unique and particular to your audience. The secret to building a following is to make videos that stand out from the competition. To help your audience know you, make sure the style of the videos you produce is constant. Make sure your viewers find your videos intriguing. Asking family, friends, or other TikTokers to view and comment on your video is an excellent strategy. Their constructive critique may help you see things differently or perhaps point out issues you might have overlooked that you should address. Next, you have to post consistently and engage. Post videos frequently to keep your audience interested. It's up to you to create a timetable you can stick to. Just be sure to consistently publish new clips so your profile doesn't appear to be dormant. Consider setting out a few hours each week to produce a batch of quick videos you can publish later if you're concerned you'll become too busy to post frequently. An active profile demonstrates to marketers that you are able to produce videos that elicit a reaction from your audience. Don't forget to interact with your followers once you're consistently producing original content tailored to your specialized niche. Run contests, request the viewers tag friends in the comments, and don't forget to respond to any comments left by others in order to keep the conversation going. And most importantly, promote your videos. Post your videos on other websites. You'll increase your exposure and encourage people to visit your TikTok content or even revisit it. By putting these strategies into practice, you can increase your TikTok following and prove to businesses and potential sponsors that you have a devoted, active, and perhaps valuable consumer base. Once companies start paying attention to you, understand your worth as a TikToker and set your prices accordingly. You might be able to turn your TikTok identity into a full-time business or even simply a side gig. What do you think about this method of making money? Let me know down in the comments section.